Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about a hook updates, Hookit protocol, targets updates with my customer said. What's going on now? So guys, this is going to be just a quick video. You remember the indication accumulation pump model for this token after listing on a Binance since November 2022. All targets was relevant and model invalidated. What's happening? What's next if the model invalidated? So first of all, it's for the future for other tokens, guys. We can trade in this range, in this model, I guess, I don't know, 3 years, for example. Just for example, it's for all tokens which listed now, just in case. All targets relevant here until the model invalidated. So here, it was a logical entry. It's a weekly time frame, 1, 2, 3. After 3 weeks, we drop it to the first zone to buy. From the bottom, it was like 270%. From the zone of 61, it was like 226. You need to withdraw initial deposit and leave just the free tokens. After that, we touch it the best zone to buy. From that area, we pump at 173. This is just the updates of main video what I posted before. So now the hook it pump a bit, but we still underrated and we still get a problem. What the main problem now? It's circulatory supply. Circulatory supply now only 29% tokens into the market. We still get unlocks. Next take. What is good? It's low cap. It's only less than 16 million market capitalization, but FDV around 55 million. Fundraising rounds, guys. If we double check on CryptoRank, was like 6 cents. Private round. IAO was 10 cents. Now we at IAO round on a Binance. Now, but the problem is that guys who invested on a private round, I hate this private rounds because it looks like somebody get a priority to invest in project and after that get an allocation and dump the price. So they still in profit like 83%. Should they drop the price now to 6 cents to their entry? It's not necessary, but they can, just in case, guys. Track the vesting schedule, right? And unlocks and build the realistic price targets. So here's how the unlocks affect the price and how it's affect the market capitalization. So here, the top of market capitalization, not at top, but at $1, right? At the market capitalization was 147 million. Got it. So everybody who waits like billion market capitalization or so, guys, reduce your expectation and build the realistic price targets. So can we hit our targets? Yes, it's possible to hit because all these zones now will be like a zone of fixation profit. So if the token dump and invalidate the idea, the zone of support become the zone of fixation profit. So if you think it's not a big deal to pump these targets here, only from this block where we stop it at the bottom here in June last month, to pump to break the structure, because this is a boss. This is the last impulse, and we can mark this is a break of structure boss. We need pump 800%. Next step, zone of fixation gonna be here 1,900%. If only if we're gonna pump to the targets, and this is gonna be just a crazy mind-blowing scenario. If we're gonna reach 27 block. So it's going to be 365. It's most crazy positive case scenario. This is a conservative ones. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 orders to sell. This is a fixation of the end of cycle only, guys. If the market makers got a plan to pump this token, we can't know. This cycle absolutely total different because we get just venture funds who dump the price, just dump the price. They get allocation and dump the price together with the team, together with the centralized exchanges. So with the market makers. That's why, guys, build realistic price targets. If, for example, now we will see some bounce on the BTC, we will see some bounce on altcoins. BTC dominance going down, 10 cents, 84 at 20 cents or 21 cents. Just withdraw your initial deposit and leave free tokens. First main goal, it's save initial deposit. After that, increase it. That's why all targets relevant. At least, guys, we can talk about a potential here. If it's a drop, we can talk about a 40 cents, target. If this target is not a pure scam, and if the guys who invested on a private round don't want to dump to the 6 cents, right? I guess we can bounce because we stop at 7 cents 77, that low, and now the road can be open to 40 cents, 0.5 level by FIP of this downtrend move. After that, break the structure, and only when we break the structure 74 cents, we can talk about an uptrend move. So one liquidity pool, second one liquidity pool, just in case. Take a look now with my custom reset. What's going on now here? The whales start accumulated here since January 25. This is how the insider works, and you can track, together with the whales, what they're doing based on different indicators. So this is my set, you can use it. This is a direction indicator here. The whales accumulate because they knew one day they will start distribute, but at what price target we can't know. Here was a distribution, here's an accumulation. Highly recommend you, just in education purpose, go and double check the first video about a hook. This is just an update. And here, the variance. August 74, lowest point 37. June 75, lowest point 7 cents. Huge divergence on a weekly. Good time to buy. Nice one. This is total capitulation, total disbelief. Nobody care about a hook. And basically, yes, it's not so popular token. That's why it's not pumped that much. But guys, all tokens just a pure speculation. Money power, guys. Here, money outflow. It was a money outflow drop. December 24, it was a money outflow drop on a weekly. Here's a money inflow. Money inflow, MACD bullish divergence. So I guess in the next 4 months, I think the alts can perform, and maybe it will be the end of cycle even for the altcoins. So we can't know. If not, altcoin season will be a little bit extended in time. It can be the November, January, or spring 26. I don't think so. We'll see some crazy long super cycle rally. No, everything will be so fast. Just 3-5 months will be more than enough to pump the altcoins and go into the next bear market. Trade on, no data. Daily. Here, the last signal to buy was here in Monday 23 June at 8 cents 21. We hit 12 cents 27. So basically now nothing special, no hype around the hook. That's why it can be the kind of risky token. What is good? We trade way under fundamental value. So fundamental price of this token is 29.35. Take profit, like you can see over the boss line, a break of structure 78.82, exit line 89.31. So just in case, guys, all targets relevant. So you can mark all of these zones, just copy and adjust the levels on your screen for this token based on annotation accumulation pump model, and just track it and fix step by step. Guys, all targets relevant, all targets I showed you. And if you'd like to trade with my customer set, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.